Hello everyone. So as you remember before, I did show you a little comparison with my two openers here. And this is the first one I bought, cheap one, maybe it cost like $5. I have used it many times. Then I went to ROLSON, and sadly I was working with a Tissot, I think it was a Tissot once, and it kind of broke this one. So well, I just wanted to show you that I do have some other one. I opened up this one, cost me like, can it be $18 as one watch tools Deluxe, and it has some extra pins also. So let's take a look on this one and see if it's any quality. Well, you have some of those pins, as you see, and it feels very massive. It's and of course by the size it's a little bit bigger also, and those, and it has like some type of grip here. Let's see if I can. So this is the one. Well, it feels very robust, this one, that's for sure. But when I got this one too, it, of course this one weighs more. I don't know exactly how much, but this has a really nice, you get a good grip on it. Has some pins here which you can use also. Let's take a look on them. So for example, let's say we want to use those. See. Oh, it feels very good. Sometimes you can feel the quality in this one. I don't think it will break this one, but then again, I bought this in eBay. This wasn't new when I bought it, so maybe it has been around for many years. I don't know that. Probably. And it sort of broke, so I was a little bit surprised by that, because I thought it was going to last longer. But as I said, it's probably used for many years, but still I have been using this also for a while, and many watches. But I wanted to try something else now, and now I have this one. Looks a little bit more professional. It's nice. I like to try tools and check them out, and for me, I can pay a little bit extra to get good stuff. So I will try this later on. I don't have any watch here so I can show you, but from what I can see and feel, it looks good.